Hi, my name is Baden. I'm glad you could make it here. Do you know about Minecraft? If not, here's your tricks to find out. I'm going to name you the 3 blocks that take longest to break with your fist on survival. 1. Bedrock. It cannot be broken. 2. Obsidian. It takes 4 minutes and 10 seconds to break. 3. Diamond block. It takes 22 seconds to break. Here are the top 10 best blocks that you can build with on Minecraft. 1. All the world colours. 2. The block of diamond. 3. The block of gold. 4. Stone. 5. Stone bricks. 6. Bricks. 7. Glass. 8. Oak wood. 9. Jungle wood. 10. Cobblestone. I'll name 6 modes you can play in Minecraft. 1. Survival. In this mode, players have to gather natural